Welcome to Unc Snoop's Creative, where faith meets real life. It's another learning experience with the scriptures affecting and influencing our everyday lives. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share.
Sometimes the hardest part of walking in God's plan is waiting. You're praying, you're obeying, you're trusting, but it feels like nothing is moving. The storm is loud, but God feels silent. Delay is not denial. Why God allows delays? God delays things not to punish you, but to prepare you. A seed doesn't grow instantly. It needs darkness, pressure, and time. And so do you. Habakkuk 2:3. Though it tarries, wait for it, for it will surely come. It will not delay. God's timing is never late. It's perfectly aligned. Delay doesn't mean God isn't working. When you don't see movement, trust that God is moving behind the scenes. Just because you can't see progress doesn't mean there isn't progress. Remember Joseph? Locked in a prison, but positioned for greatness. It looked like a delay, but it was divine setup. Genesis 50:20. You meant evil against me, but God meant it for good. God is building you before He reveals you. Keep your heart right in the waiting. Delays test the heart. They reveal whether you trust God's hand or His timing. Don't let waiting turn into complaining. Don't let delay turn into doubt. Guard your heart, stay faithful, stay teachable. Psalm 27:14. Wait on the Lord, be strong, and let your heart take courage. Waiting is worship when done in faith. While you wait, do these 3 things. 1. Pray consistently. Keep the line open. 2. Prepare faithfully. Act like the promise is already on the way. 3. Walk obediently. Be ready when the door opens. Isaiah 40:31. They that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. Waiting doesn't weaken you. It strengthens you for what's coming. Your waiting season is your strengthening season. You may be in a delay, but you are not denied. God didn't forget you. God didn't abandon you. He is preparing you for everything He promised. When it happens, it will make sense. And when it arrives, it will arrive right on time. God's timing is greater than your time. Share this with someone who's waiting on God. And stay tuned for episode 3.